Our stories start with an old and creepy wall, wooden furniture that about to break, bugs occasionally flying in from outside through the ventilator. Our MC envied those insects. Both hand clapped each other. She looked at the mosquito in his hand. Mosquito was brought near his face, and he tasted the mosquito. It was bitter. Our MC lives in a dark room with single light. He spent his entire life in the basement. Our MC writing a note about, someday when he escaped from this place, he will be able to use this self-introduction that he is writing right now. Normally, one would start their self-introduction with name, but our MC don't know his name. He was never called by his name. Suddenly a photo caught in his view. He think he should have one, that Hip's mom given him. Our MC separated from his mom after birth. She thought about that this is the picture of his mother. He tell himself, she must have loud him. Suddenly a middle-aged man face appeared in back of our MC. Then he told him, she is dead. Our MC asked, what do you mean? That man replied, she died after the birth by jumping up a bridge. Our MC got angry and clenched his fists. This man is of our MC's real father. He is the one locked his own son here because he couldn't escape. Long corridor of basement and door with locks, old key with his dad's hand. Our MC dad don't want to see outside world. He is ready to tell him why his mother choose your die. He pick up a cookie suddenly. Push though in front of our MC face, then said she was afraid to live in this world because she know that an apocalypse was coming. Our MC think it's full of bullshit. His dad not sending him outside because he loved him. He don't want to watch his own son commit suicide. Our MC angrily shouted, Mom will never do that. You are the one lock me up and telling lies. He pick up the note that MC worded, burn it with the lighter, then told, this will never see the light. Our MC tried to stop, but he couldn't. He looked into the trash bin, then told him, you are not worthy to call dad. He ordered his son to follow him. Same hour every day, he goes to training with his dad. There is only these two people in the basement. Same routines start every day lecture and training. But our MC liked to see outside world. When the middle of the lecture, he took a notebook under his table. He took this notebook in the basement library. It's only access in free times. This book is called Outside World. MC going through the words of this notebook that he previously read. He want to talk to people also. He like to make new friends. But mostly he want to see his mother after he escape. He suddenly snap out of his dream. He saw a fast boot has coming in front of him. He couldn't dodge. It was too fast. Ethic clearly it or MC face he flew away with desk. Book is only in the free time. This is why you got your punishment. When his dad saw its name he smiled. What a pathetic. Our MC feeling helpless. He will never see the outside world. When the apocalypse comes, the world is filled with scream and blood. Our MC think back, every make a mistake, he get a punishment. He decide to escape from here, but she needed great timing. Clench his fist and get up. The next scene, our MC doing push-up inside the white room. He was tired, his full body covered by sweat. He was struggling because he was doing push-ups while 200 kg in his back. His hand cracked. That give him a hand to get up. Our MC thought, is this really happening? He trusted and raised his hand. He suddenly pulled him with full force, then attacked his left leg. He rolled around, then crashed into the mirror, and his dad told, never to trust anyone. The next training lessons start now. Badava MC didn't get from the floor. He thought he was passed out. Our MC was waiting for a perfect time to let his guard down. When he turned around and walk away, our MC suddenly pick up a broken glass, then jump into his father blind spot to finish him off with a single blow. He thought it has worked, but unfortunately there was a reflected light from the glass. His father saw that shadow. He suddenly moved his head back faster than the light. Didn't you think our MC's dad too overpowered? If you like this video, please like and subscribe for upcoming part 2. It makes me happy that you guys are watching. Have a good day, everyone.